Hello everyone, my name is Sahida Tarawali and today I'll be giving you a persuasive speech on why I believe people should donate to the Planned Parenthood Action Fund. In today's society, it is more than imperative to promote safe sex to not just young adults, but also to older men and women. The risk of catching an STD or HIV has dramatically increased within the last few years. Along with the high rate of infectious sexually transmitted diseases, the amount of pregnancy among teenagers has also gone up to a devastating number. Many people believe that the only way to prevent these things is if you can afford health insurance that will allow a person to be on birth control and get tested for anything. But there are other programs that can help prevent these things from occurring without health insurance at a reasonable price. The solution to this problem is the charity, the Planned Parenthood Action Fund. The Planned Parenthood Action Fund is a charity that helps fund the Planned Parenthood centers across America today. The charity helps educate people on their sexual life and what you can do to have safe sex. Today I will be explaining to you why I believe you should support and donate to this charity by highlighting its importance to society today. The first thing that I will cover is the issues surrounded by Planned Parenthood. Some of the issues surrounded around Planned Parenthood is the pro-life group that feel that abortion is immoral. Pro-life groups feel that Planned Parenthood programs should not have the government funding because abortion is tied in with Planned Parenthood. These groups feel that abortion is wrong and that the child has a right to live. These groups do not believe that in the pro-choice These groups do not believe in the pro-choice and want to shut down the abortion clinics working with the Planned Parenthood. Many people perceive Planned Parenthood as something that is only abortion. Although Planned Parenthood does provide abortion services, it also provides a wide variety of other services that people who may or may not have insurance can utilize. Although Planned Parenthood brings a lot of negative association, I would like to change the perception of the charity by explaining to everyone in the audience what services the Planned Parenthood Action Fund has besides the negative. Some of the services provided by the Planned Parenthood is they provide gynecological exams, breast and cervical cancer screenings, contraceptive services, abortion care, sexually transmitted infection testing and treatments, HIV testing, and they also offer education services to women, men, and teens. With all the services that Planned Parenthood provides, one can definitely see how Planned Parenthood Action Fund can have the positive influence on society and can certainly show you its importance to our society. Planned Parenthood is a positive outlet for people who do not practice abstinence because it promotes safe sex, which proves to be a helpful solution for schools that do not promote the act of sexual intercourse and abstinence only. Planned Parenthood also helps and protects the health of young people by providing one with the comprehension of sexual education. Its importance to society is that it protects women and women's rights and health. According to the Planned Parenthood's website, these healthcare centers provide a wide range of safe, reliable healthcare, and more than 90% is preventative primary care, which prevents unintentional pregnancies through contraceptive, reduces the spread of sexually transmitted infections through testing and treatments and screenings for cervical and other cancers. Caring physicians, nursing practitioners, and other staff take the time to talk with clients and encourage them to ask questions in an environment that millions have grown to trust. All of these show that the Planned Parenthood is very important to society because if our schools will not teach children about sex and having and promoting safe sex, then Planned Parenthood is there to help them to understand why it is so important to be safe when you have sex. Know who you have sex with. Always wear condoms. Always have birth control. And if anything does happen, there is emergency contraceptive such as the morning after pill, the day after pill that you can take to prevent unwanted pregnancies. Although the many controversies surrounded by the Planned Parenthood have one believed that the establishment only brings negativity, Planned Parenthood actually encourages people to have safe sex and educate the public of the different ways you can prevent pregnancy. The charity also promotes equal rights for women so that they may make their own decisions. Promoting prevention techniques such as testing for HIV and STDs is something that is heavily needed in today's society, and supporting and donating to this charity will continue to have that positive outcome for all of those who utilize the services. From this day on, whenever you think of Planned Parenthood, please think of how it encourages awareness in the community, and also think of it as if you wanted to help somebody who did not have health insurance or did not have anything to be able to know about sexual stuff or didn't have anybody to go to. Let them know that it's easy to go to Planned Parenthood. You can go to their website, you can go to their clinics and talk to somebody so that you can learn more about having a safe sex life. Contributing and donating to this charity will show that you care about protecting women's access to health care and supporting the fight for common sense policies that foster the sexual and reproductive health and rights of individuals, families, and communities. I want to thank everybody for listening to me today, and I hope that you will be willing to donate to the Planned Parenthood Fund. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.